a century in each and every test playing nation, and the captain who won us the T20 World Cup back in 2009, man himself, Mr. Yunus Khan. And to his left, we have got the Honorary Consul General of Ivory Coast, Mr. Fazal Karim Dadabhai. And to his left, we have got the CEO of Empower Education Consultants, Mr. Danish Dadabhai. First of all, I would like to ask Mr. Danish Dadabhai to present the shields to Mr. Fazal Karim Dadabhai, who is one of the chief guests of this all-important final of Empower Super League Season 2. Next up, he's going to be presenting the memento to one of our stars, Mr. Yunus Khan as well, for making some time out of his busy schedule and attending this all-important final of Empower Super League Season 2 and giving all those confidence to the players who were out there of Nixa College and Cedar. Next up, he's going to be presenting the shields to the two on-field umpires who officiated this final and were part of this Empower Super League throughout the tournament. I would like both the umpires to come on stage one by one so that they can collect their shields from Mr. Danish Dadabhai, the CEO of Empower Education Consultants. The next umpire, Mr. Omar, will also get his shield from Mr. Danish Dadabhai. Now, it was a roller coaster of a final. We saw some brilliant performances from both the teams, both with the bat as well as with the ball. But in the end, it was one spinner who completely tilted the favor of the match in his side's favor. It's none other than Hamza Unwala, the off spinner, picking up a 5 in this all-important final. He's the man of the match of the ESL Season 2, and he will collect his award from none other than Mr. Yunus Khan. Hamza, if you can come forward and have a few words with me. Now, Hamza, up till now, we didn't see you bowl a great deal in this tournament, but you were asked to bowl when the 5 overs were remaining and you needed wickets badly. What was going through your mind?
I mean, it was a tough game at the end. So when we dropped the catch, so I wanted just to take the wickets. And we went for the kill, which is why we won the game.
Now, it was a very hard-fought final. Did you think that you had enough runs on the board, 154? Although the pitch was a little difficult to bat on, but you were up against Cedar, who were obviously unbeaten like you throughout the tournament.
Yeah, the runs were a bit less. We were hoping for 200 or 180, but we still covered up in the bowling.
All the best, Hamza. That was a brilliant performance in the final. Now, coming on to the top performers of this tournament, firstly, we will start with the best batter of this Empower Super League Season 2. Now, you have already heard the cheers, a man who was dismissed just once in this Empower Super League. He got 2 centuries. Unfortunately, couldn't get a milestone today, but he still made sure that he scored 46 runs with the bat. It's none other than the dynamite, small dynamite. It's Abdullah Shiraz. He's going to get his award from Mr. Fazal Karim Dadabhai, the cash prize of 30,000 rupees for being the best batter of the tournament. I'll ask you later, Abdullah, not an issue. The next award is for the best bowler of the tournament. He contributed in every match with the ball. Unfortunately, his side was at the receiving end today. It's none other than the brilliant spinner, Mohammad Bartla from Team Cedar College. He's also going to get his award from Mr. Fazal Karim Dadabhai, the cash prize of 30,000 rupees for being the best bowler of Empower Super League Season 2. Very well bowled, Mohammad Bartla. And now the big award, the award every player is usually waiting for, the award for the best player of the tournament. Now, we have only mentioned about his runs with the bat, but he was absolutely brilliant in the field and he took some really crucial wickets during the group stages of the match. More than 300 runs with the bat, 5 wickets and some really good catches. It's Abdullah Shiraz once again, who is the man of the tournament. He'll get his shield from Mr. Yunus Khan and a cash prize of 50,000 rupees. Abdullah, now I would like to have words with you. That's why because I knew I'll get a chance later on. Now, Abdullah, I'm pretty sure your pockets are full because you have been collecting awards regularly in the matches. It was a very difficult pitch to bat on, but you still contributed towards your team score today.
Yeah, obviously I wanted to score more, but unfortunately couldn't make it. But the important thing is that we won, and that's enough for us.
So what was going through your mind, because you were standing at long on, which is a very crucial position towards the end of the innings, so and you hardly had any roughs to defend towards the last 5 overs. So was there any special message that was given by Amar or your coach, Mr. Samuels?
Yeah, they told me to hit after 15 overs, but unfortunately I lost my wicket. But we won. That's
I was talking about when you were fielding, actually.
field. No, obviously we had some missed fields, but the main important thing is that we won, and that's fine for us.
Yeah, all the best, Abdullah. That was a pleasure to watch you bat as well as field. Now I would like to call up on stage the runners-up team coach, Farhan sir of Team Cedar College. You can come forward and collect your shield as well as your check. You are the runners-up team. You will get a cash of 100,000 rupees. You will collect your medal as well from Mr. Fazal Kareem Dadabhai.
Studying abroad is no more a dream.
They were unbeaten throughout the tournament. Unfortunately, just couldn't go over the line in the final. Now, I would like each and every member of, Cedar College to come forward and collect your...
Empower Education Consultants is here to help you. Admission letter in hand, we are here to help you. Visa success rate, 98.6%. This is the game changer for your future.
Adam Isa, Hamza Qureshi, Jabir, who was absolutely brilliant with the ball today. Saim also has made some valuable contributions.
Good effort. Well done. Well done. Well done. Good effort. Good effort. Well done. Well done. Well done.
Now the captain of Cedar College will collect his shield so that I can have an interview with him later on. Ayan, you can come forward and collect your trophy. Ayan, you can come forward and collect your trophy. The runners-up trophy of this Empower Super League Season 2 goes to Cedar College, who were absolutely brilliant in this tournament. Ayan, I would like to have some words with you as well. Now, Ayan, you were in the dugout, but the match got really tense, and at one stage when that partnership was going between Talha and Mohammad Bartla, you were sitting very relaxed, but what happened after that?
Unfortunately, our batsmen couldn't bat well, so that's why we...
Is it because of the fact that your lower order batters didn't get much opportunity throughout the tournament because the top orders did bulk of the scoring at the start?
Yes, I guess that's the reason.
And I know you might be slightly disappointed because it's the second time around you have been at the receiving end, but once again, it was a pleasure watching you guys bat and bowl in this tournament, and we hope that we see you once again next season.
Thank you.
Now, that was Ayan Salim, the skipper of Cedar College. And now I would like to invite the winning coach, Mr. Samuels, who has been so influential throughout the tournament. Mr. Samuels will come and collect his medal first up from Mr. Yunus Khan. And then a winning check, obviously, of 150,000 rupees. That goes to Nixa College for winning this title. Now we will follow the same routine. Every squad member of Nixa College will once again come up on stage and collect their medals from Mr. Yunus Khan. Starting with the skipper, Ammar. We'll talk later, Ammar. Hamza Unwala, the hero of the final, picking up a fiver today. Abdullah Wamik was very good in the field. The man of the tournament, obviously, Abdullah Shiraz. Rayyan. Oh, you already got one. Now, Amar, he's just here to collect his trophy so that we can have words with him as well. Amar Farooq, the skipper of Dixa College, the second-time champions of this Empower Super League Season 2. Amar, now you can come forward and have a few words with me. Not an issue, you can keep trophy in your hands. Amar, bowling the first over, giving away 22, knowing the fact that you do not have enough runs to play with, like what was going through your mind at that point?
I just a belief in myself, and the way I just came back with my bowling and with that run out was just, I think, unmatchable. And the way we have played towards the tournament and the coordination we have carried towards the tournament is just unmatchable as well. And there are many questions to answer. Giving Hamza Unwala was a gamble, and that worked. And unfortunately, fortunately, we came on the good note, and I just want to thank God for this.
I was about to come to that point because you had an over remaining. Arhan had an over remaining as well, but you went for Hamza, who hasn't bowled much so far in this tournament. So did you think that the spinners are going to do the job for you, knowing the fact that it was much easier for the batters to hit the spinners as compared to the fast bowlers?
Yes, definitely, as the ball was turning in the last few overs. And as I said, that spell was a gamble, and that worked really well for our team. And the way we finished and the way we never gave up in the last few overs was just exceptional, and I want to thank my team for that.
All the best, Amar. Congratulations for being the champions of this Empower Super League 2. You can enjoy the moment with the rest of your team, and you can also pose for the photographs. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you so much, Danish Bhai. Thank you so much, Mr. Fazal Kareem and Mr. Yunus Khan, obviously, for being here with us. That's it from the presentation ceremony. We'll hopefully join you next year for this Empower Super League Season 3.